Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Um, yeah, quite a big box. It arrived today. I know who it's from. Um, but I just thought I'd unbox it on a video and show you all so that we all get a surprise because I have no idea what's in there. So I'll set you up and we'll crack on with checking it out. It says live plants, which is a good indication of what is in here, but it's also very, very heavy. It says top heavy, and this way up. So I'm quite excited to see what's in here. It actually came from Gavin at Not Another Bonsai channel, which sadly is no more. He shut it down, I don't know when, but he told me a couple of days ago that he shut it down, and he's just concentrating on his trees, which is fair enough. It's a shame because it was such a good channel. It was very entertaining and educational. So yeah, it is a shame, but I understand why. So, what do we think's in here? Very interesting. Ooh, I can already see leaves, and yeah, this is all looking quite good. So let's get it out and have a look. Wow. So there we go. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trees here, and they all look amazing. Gav, thank you very much. I love this. It's oak, I think. I love the trunk on that. It's amazing. And yeah, got some lovely, lovely trees here, which I will take the very best of care of. Now, I'll bring you in and I'll put them all outside in a bit and give you a close up so you can see them all properly. But I really think we should probably get all these pots out and have a look. So I'll just clear this lot away and we'll unwrap all the pots. Wow, that's a lot of pots. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 20 pots there. Gav, that is very generous of you, and with the trees as well. That's amazing. I'll give all these a wash out and store them until next repotting season because it's too late now. And then I need to find somewhere to put all these trees. Maybe do a little bit of a shuffle with some of mine outside. But this is amazing. Yeah, again, thanks a lot, Gav. And it's such a shame that your channel has gone because it was an awesome little channel. Taught a lot of people, made a lot of people smile. Yeah, who knows? Maybe in the future you will come back and grace us with your knowledge. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you like this. And keep your eye out for next potting season when I'll be using some of these. and keep your eyes open over the next few years just to see how these trees develop. I will give you all a close-up. I might even do some shorts on the close-up trees. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, sub and share, and stay hydrated in this heat because it is bloody hot.